Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Rogue in neutral. Knowing this is essential for situations like automatic car washes or towing. We will cover the common method using the electronic shifter and also the manual override for when your vehicle has no power. Additionally, we'll discuss the special neutral hold mode and crucial safety tips to keep in mind. Let's get started with the standard procedure for shifting your Rogue into neutral. For the standard method, first, always make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a critical safety step. Next, locate your electronic shifter. To shift into neutral, you need to hold the shifter up for approximately 1 second without pressing the button on the shifter itself. You should then see the letter N for neutral displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming the shift. To return to drive, simply press the button and pull down. If your Nissan Rogue has a dead battery or no power, you'll need to use the manual shift lock release. Begin by applying the parking brake. Look for a small cover, often labeled shift lock, near the base of your gear shifter. Gently pry this cover off using a small flathead screwdriver or even your vehicle's key. Insert the tool into the exposed slot and press down firmly. While holding the release down, move the shifter into the neutral position. Remember to re-engage the parking brake once moved. Some Nissan Rogue models feature a neutral hold mode, which allows you to turn off the engine while the vehicle remains in neutral. This is particularly useful for automatic car washes or when being towed. To activate it, ensure the engine is running, release the parking brake, depress the brake pedal, and follow specific steps outlined in your owner's manual, usually involving the P button and holding the shifter in neutral. Always engage the parking brake after shifting to neutral to prevent unintended movement, and never force the shifter if it resists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.